All right, on these, the first thing you got to do is adjust these vertical nuts. One here, one here, one here, one here. Once you adjust this, you then raise and lower the motor with this nut. These on the outside are used to take the motor horizontal. So don't loosen those unless you need to do that. Just focus on first, loosen the top four, the top two, the bottom two, then you make your adjustment. You take the belts off, put on the new belts, then you tighten it first. Once you get it at the right tension, then you tighten these 4 bolts at the end. So you start with the 4 and you end with the 4. All right, once you got the belts on, then you make the adjustment here to get it to the correct tension. Once you have the correct tension, then you tighten these 4. And this one actually has it stripped, so it's just the 3. Now that I have the correct tension, now I'm going to tighten these bolts right here.